I got this at Amazon. You can get this on Amazon for $10. And I think you can get it for cheaper. I think I paid like $10, man. I forgot how much I paid for it. But you get this tool here. And you also get this one. And this one right here is actually a Mavic Air. And you can see it's the same branding. So there you go. Just letting you guys know that. Alright guys, I'll take off the propellers. Make sure you did that and just go start from the back and just use your credit card and anything that's plastic and just go. It's that easy. That's the reason why I did it so fast, because it's not that hard. You don't even need tools or anything else to it. And you can see here, all I'm doing, just taking it all off. And that's about it. But just do it slowly. Alright guys, now you guys can see I got everything off. To take this off, you don't even need any clip. The only time you're gonna need to use this kind of tool if you're taking this off. But if you're not going to take this off, you're just gonna take this off, all you need is this. And you can just slide it slowly and you'll eventually get it off, you know, much easier. But now I'm gonna go ahead and put my top, and I'll show you guys the link where to get this stuff at. And you can get them for cheap now. If you know, like I said, it's much better now. You don't have to, like, they're not really like super expensive, so it's good to go. And now I'm just gonna go ahead, and before you don't want to do anything, because remember, these clips are really, you know, soft to break. So what you want to do is slowly, man, you know, take your time. If you think you can get it in there, get it in there. If you can't, then just slowly with pressure. And that's what I will do. And the same thing here. You see that? Clip. Everything's clipped in. And then slowly. And to insert this, you want to push forward. Okay? And there you go. Forward. And here's my shell. And I got everything done. I mean, as simple as that. It's always change this anyway, you know. But there you go. So now I have a matching I got a matching drone now. You don't even need this tool. All you need, credit card or this, or something plastic that is thin, and then you can just work through it. But if I were you, start from the back, and then once you're done from the back, and then go forward and go from there. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.